Oh.
Come on, stop it.
Get around. Your ass is in my camera. Oh. Nope, nope.
Don't try to kill her now. Hit the side of the head.
Come on.
She about to rap. Hit her, hit her, hit her, hit her, hit her. You waiting. Fuck that waiting.
Hit her again.
She goes up.
I can tell you when she about to go up. You can see it. Oh. She about to wait. It's when you slow down. Right now.
Watch out.
Hit down. Come on.
I don't have no balance like that, man.
No, you alright. You shit, you doing damn good. You got good balance.
Oh.
Yeah. That's probably another reason why she acting up.
Stop playing with me.
Hold, Chestnut. Hold, Chestnut.
Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Come on.
That's why you hold your thighs.
Come on. Stop it.
You stupid. Go.
Get around. Get it to me. Come on. Get out of here.
You keep it up, she gonna go all the way over on you. Cause what you do, you now is she think that's what to do now. If that bitch wanna go across that what's name, just make her walk. Cause now she just think that's what she supposed to do is rear up. Yeah, take her just like that. Easy on the whip.
Man. Come on.
So you can't play with no young horse. That's all they gonna wanna do is fight.
Tip that ass. Tip it. Come on, pick him up. Oh, this one.
When you stop, hey, when you stop and you kick her, that's the only time she rear up.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Stop. If you got energy to rear, you got energy to do the right thing. You got the right thing.
In the back now. Where's she going? Why you
She
gonna hit
pissing
her?
on
You don't
herself.
have to hit her no
She
more.
not squirting like that. Squirt. Yeah, she pissing. That's squirt. Cause she keep on squirting every time he hit her. I think that's piss. Like yeah, it's like she nervous.
It's okay, baby Rosie. No
Oh,
more
that's
wearing
too
up.
much for TV. God damn me.
Where's the camera?